This is the kitchen, has been sheeted now. As you can see, blue gyprock sheets on the walls. We have all the plumbing and electrical sorted out, coming through the gyprock wall. There we are. For the sink, there's a new dishwasher going in here also. So yeah, it's all happening here. Getting ready for the cabinets. And what we have going on in the laundry, there's no sheeting in this laundry, it was brick. So we didn't have to deal with sheeting. We just pulled the old laundry cabinets out, replumbed it, and we're going to be putting a sliding door over there. Oh sorry, wrong side. So we're going to be tiling just outside the laundry door, and we're going to be putting the sliding door for the WC in this corner here. This is where a front loader or top loader will be able to go, because this is a rental and you have to allow for a front loader or top loader, and you have to allow the space for either one. So that's what we're going to be doing. And the new laundry cabinets, we'll leave a gap for this sliding door to slide in behind them.